Hi, Dr. Brent Thierry, Total Spine Health and Injury Center, another Total Spine video series installment. What we'll go over today is we're going to talk about different types of auto injuries, and specifically we're going to focus on other areas, not necessarily the cervical spine or the whiplash injuries, because that's what everybody always talks about, but also the injuries that can occur in both the mid-back and the low back, so the thoracic and the lumbar spine too. All right, and to really understand this, you have to understand the biomechanics or the mechanism of injury, and where the contact occurs and where the forces are actually transferred from. So when you look at a normal, let's even take a rear-ending accident. We have a person sitting in a chair and they're on a seat, okay? Now when somebody gets rear-ended from behind, the first thing that happens is that seat is pushed forward, okay? So the person is accelerating forward. There's contact made, and there's actually force transferred between the seat and the lower spine of an individual. So the seat is pushing against the person is pushing back against the seat, okay? So there's an acceleration that happens here, okay? Now, do you think if there's enough force to bend metal back here on a bumper or crack plastic, that there's enough force to shift something out of alignment in your spine? Most certainly there is. A lot of the time it could cause things like disc herniations, disc bulges, subluxations, which we treat in our office here. Those are putting pressure on nerves, damaging the soft tissues, the muscles, tendons, ligaments that are around those vertebrae as well. And over time, if these aren't corrected, that's what can lead to things down the road like degenerative change, arthritis, okay? Early accelerated aging at those joints. That's why it's so important, to address the soft tissue injury, restore proper spinal alignment to the spine, and allow your body to function and heal and be its best, okay? I can't stress that enough. A lot of people overlook this. Every time, almost without a doubt, during our day one or a consultation here with each patient, we can trace a lot of their problems back to a car accident or a fall or a trauma, okay? It usually is an underlying incident that occurred years ago that is causing their problems now. So take care of things. Don't wait for things to get bad. Don't let a problem turn into a crisis, okay? And we're really good at that in the United States. We let things get to their worst before we do something about it. So don't let it start affecting your life before you make a change, okay? Now, it doesn't take a ton of impact, doesn't take a ton of force to cause a huge problem here. So make sure you go in and get checked out following any type of car accident whatsoever, okay? It only takes a few miles an hour to cause some permanent damage. So we, of course, are always here to be the experts in that, help you out with your care, and direct you and refer you to any other professionals or services that you might need as well. So consultations with me, like I said, are always free. We have great chiropractic, we have great massage therapy to not only get you feeling better, but to actually fix the underlying problem. So have a great day, and hopefully we'll see you in our office soon.